Hello beautiful family, welcome back again to another video. Today I'm sharing with you a simple Ghana's favorite candy. Yes, this is NKATI cake, a simple and a delicious one as well. So let's get right into the video. So I have in here my fresh peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, and my all-purpose flour. So the all-purpose flour is going to make the NKATI cake very hard. The ones you see outside, that's how they do it. They add all-purpose flour to it to make it really hard. So if you don't want it too hard, you can just omit it and use the sugar and the peanuts. Simple as that. Next, I will preheat my pan and add in my peanuts. So I'm going to stir this periodically because I don't want it to burn. When this burns, you're going to have a sauté at the end of your cake, and we don't want that. So we're going to roast this until everything is nice and roasted. And remember to roast this peanuts on low flame so you don't burn it. And as you can see, I'm peeling off the skin from the peanut. That means it's ready. I'll be setting this aside to cool down for at least 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm going to put this in a clean napkin and I'm going to rub it using my hand to get all the skin out of the peanuts, just as you're seeing right now. And guys, just look at how we are able to peel off the skin using this method. This is the easiest way, trust me. As you can see, I didn't get all the peanuts peeled, so I'm going to use my hand to rub it again to get some of it done. Next, I'm going to blow air through my peanut to get all the peanut skin out of it very nicely, just as you're seeing right now. So after that, I'm going to add some to my blender and blend until it becomes halfway blended. Remember, we are not making peanut butter, so we are not going to blend this until it becomes very smooth. So if you don't have a blender in your house and you're thinking of not making your own NKATI cake at home, trust me, you can use this wardrobe to make your own NKATI cake at home. This is the same thing we pound abe or pound fruit in it to make abe nkwan, trust me. So I'll be going for this consistency. For me, I think this is the best way to make NKATI cake. I tell you, the blender will sometimes disappoint you. So if you have this in your house, go for this one. And if you have a food processor as well, it works perfectly fine as well. So in a heated pan, I'll add in 1 cup of sugar and I'll be melting this on low flame until everything is nice and ready. Meanwhile, I'll add my all-purpose flour to my melted sugar. To that, I'll add in my peanuts, mix until everything is nice and well combined. Right now, the NKATI cake is ready, and trust me, this is the best and a simple recipe. So I'm going to set this aside, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on the post notification bell as well so that you'll be notified, or you'll be the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are so wonderful. Love you guys to the fullest, and I know you're going to give me a thumbs up if you like this video as well. As you can see, I placed my peanut on top of this table mat because the table surface I'm working on is a rubber, so I don't want it to be messy, or I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. But if you have a wooden table, you can sprinkle a little bit of oil on it and put your peanut on it to roll beautifully, as I'm doing right now. So as you can see, it has really flattened a little bit, so I'm going to cut this. Remember, I added in all-purpose flour, and trust me, after I rolled this peanut, it came out really hard. Trust me, as you can see, I wasn't able to even cut it easy, so I have to lift it before I was able to cut it. Trust me, this was looking like a stone. And fam, if you really want this soft, go for just peanuts and sugar. It works perfectly fine, but if you really want it hard, then add in the all-purpose flour. And if you've watched this video to this end, trust me, you are a proud foodie member, and I love you guys so much for doing this for me. I really appreciate. Please click on the post notification bell, like, comment and share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.